Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we explore ways to enhance your life and well-being. Today, we're diving into 10 simple habits that can lead to a healthier, happier you. These habits are easy to incorporate into your daily routine and can make a significant difference in your overall health. So, let's get started. 1. Drink more water. Water is essential for life, and staying hydrated is crucial for your health. Drinking enough water helps maintain the balance of bodily fluids, supports digestion, and keeps your skin looking fresh. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. If you find it hard to remember, carry a water bottle with you or set reminders on your phone. Hydration is key to feeling energized and alert throughout the day. 2. Get regular exercise. Physical activity is vital for maintaining a healthy body and mind. Regular exercise can help control weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, improve mood, and boost energy levels. You don't need to hit the gym every day. Even a 30-minute walk can make a big difference. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, or cycling, and make it a part of your routine. 3. Eat a balanced diet. A balanced diet provides the nutrients your body needs to function correctly. Focus on eating a variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks as much as possible. Instead, opt for nutrient-dense options that fuel your body and mind. Remember, what you eat directly impacts how you feel. 4. Prioritize sleep. Getting enough quality sleep is essential for overall health. Sleep helps your body recover, supports brain function, and boosts your immune system. Aim for 9 hours of sleep per night. Create a bedtime routine to signal your body that it's time to wind down. This might include reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques. Avoid screens before bed, as the blue light can interfere with your sleep. 5. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation can reduce stress, improve focus, and promote emotional health. Start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase the time. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. Let go of any distractions and bring your attention back to your breath whenever your mind wanders. There are many apps and online resources available to guide you through meditation practices. 6. Build strong relationships. Healthy relationships are crucial for emotional well-being. Spend time with loved ones, engage in meaningful conversations, and nurture your connections. Social interactions can reduce stress, improve mood, and provide a sense of belonging. Make an effort to connect with friends and family regularly, even if it's just a quick phone call or a text message. 7. Manage stress effectively. Chronic stress can take a toll on your health. Learn to manage stress through healthy coping mechanisms such as exercise, meditation, or hobbies you enjoy. Identify the sources of your stress and work on ways to address them. It's also important to set boundaries and make time for self-care. Remember, it's okay to say no and prioritize your well-being. 8. Practice gratitude. Gratitude can improve your mental health and overall outlook on life. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on what you're grateful for. This can be as simple as appreciating a beautiful sunset, a kind gesture from a friend, or your health. Keeping a gratitude journal can help you focus on the positive aspects of your life and cultivate a more optimistic mindset. 9. Limit alcohol and avoid smoking. Limiting alcohol consumption and avoiding smoking are crucial for maintaining good health. Excessive alcohol intake can lead to various health problems, including liver disease and heart issues. Smoking is linked to numerous chronic diseases, including cancer and respiratory conditions. If you need help quitting, seek support from healthcare professionals or support groups. 10. Stay informed and seek regular checkups. Staying informed about your health and seeking regular medical checkups can help you catch potential issues early and maintain your well-being. Schedule routine screenings and vaccinations as recommended by your healthcare provider. Don't hesitate to ask questions and advocate for your health. Staying proactive can help you stay on top of your health and address any concerns promptly. Conclusion: incorporating these 10 simple habits into your daily routine can significantly impact your overall health and well-being. Remember, small changes can lead to big results over time. Start with 1 or 2 habits and gradually add more as you become comfortable. Your health is your most valuable asset, so take care of it every day. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.